Hello everyone, welcome to Jades of Tech. Let us discuss about SAP Cloud Platform Integration Question and Answers. What is SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI stands for SAP Cloud Platform Integration. It is a cloud-based integration platform provided by SAP for connecting different systems and applications, both within an organization and with. What are the key features of SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI offer features such as per package integration contact, connectivity to various systems and applications, both SAP and non-SAP graphical mapping tools, monitoring and alerting capabilities, and support for various integration patterns such as synchronize, asynchronous, request, response, etc. How does SAP CPI differ from SAP PI PO? Answer: SAP Process Integration and its successor SAP Process Orchestration are on-premises integration platforms, whereas SAP CPI is a cloud-based integration platform. SAP CPI offers greater flexibility, scalability, and ease of user compared to on-premises solution. What are some common use cases for SAP CPI? Answer: some common use cases for SAP CPI include integrating SAP S/4HANA with other SAP and non-SAP systems, connecting cloud applications such as SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Ariba, Salesforce, etc. with on-premises systems, enabling B2B integration with trading partners and orchestrating business process across different systems. What integration partners does SAP CPI support? Answer: SAP CPI supports various integration partners including point-to-point, publish subscribe, request response, batch processing, and more. It also supports both synchronized and asynchronous communication. How is security ensured in SAP CPI? Answer: security in SAP CPI is ensured through various measurements such as data encryption, role-based access control, secure communication protocols such as HTTPS, and compliance with industry standards and regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Can SAP CPI be extended or customized? Answer: yes. SAP CPI can be extended and customized using various extension points provided by SAP, such as custom Java code, Groovy script, custom adapters, and integration flows developed using SAP Cloud Integrations web-based tools. How is monitoring and error handling done in SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI provides built-in monitoring and error handling capabilities through its web-based administration console. Administrations can monitor integration flows in real time, view messages processing logs, set as up alerts for errors, and configure a automatic error handling mechanisms. What deployment options are available for SAP CPI? Answer: SAP CPI offers both multi-tenant and single-tenant deployment options. In a multiple-tenant environment, multiple customers share the same infrastructure, while in a single-tenant environment, each customer has its own dedicated infrastructure. How does SAP CPI handle data transformation and mapping? SAP CPI provides graphical mapping tools that allows users to visually design data transformation logic between different data formats and structures. This tool supports various mapping functions, transformations, and looks up to facilitate data mapping and transformation tasks. Can SAP CPI integrate with both SAP and non-SAP systems? Answer: yes. SAP CPI supports integration with both SAP and non-SAP systems. It provides pre-built adapters for connecting to various SAP applications such as SAP S/4HANA, SAP ERP, SAP SuccessFactors, etc., as well as non-SAP application such as Salesforce, Workday, Microsoft, Dynamics, etc. How does SAP CPI handle complex integration scenarios involving multiple systems and applications? Answer: SAP CPI supports complex integration scenarios through its support for orchestration and choreography partners. Users can design integration flow that involve multiple systems and applications, define business logic, and specify routine and message processing rules to handle complex integration scenarios. Is there a development environment available for SAP CPI? Answer: yes. SAP CPI provides a web-based development environment where users can design development and test integration flows. The development environment includes tools for designing integration flows, mapping data transformation, configuring adapters, and testing integration scenarios. How does SAP CPI ensure high availability and reliability? Answer: SAP CPI ensures high availability and reliability through its distributed architecture, built-in flat tolerance mechanisms, and support for horizontal scaling. It also provides features such as messages, persistency, message replication, and automatic failover to ensure continuous operation and data integrity. Can SAP CPI be integrated with SAP's other cloud offerings such as SAP Analytics Cloud or SAP Leonardo? Answer: yes. SAP CPI can be integrated with other SAP cloud offerings as well as third-party cloud applications. Integration scenarios involving SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP Leonardo, SAP Cloud Platform, and other SAP cloud services can be implemented using SAP CPI's connectivity options and integration capabilities. How does SAP CPI handle versioning and lifecycle management of integration artifacts? Answer: SAP CPI provides versioning and lifecycle management features that allow users to manage different versions of integration artifacts, such as integration flows, mappings, and configurations, and promote them through different environments such as development testing and production. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.